Tired of your current TikTok profile pic? Let's dive into how to ditch it in a flash. First things first, open your TikTok app like you do every day. Make sure you're logged into the right account, because you'll want to keep an eye on your digital footprint. Next, tap on your profile icon. It's usually in the bottom right corner of your screen and it looks like a little person or silhouette. This will take you to your profile page. Now that you're here, you'll see your current profile picture front and center. To change it or delete it, find the Edit Profile button. It's usually below your bio and follower information. Tap it. This is the gateway to your profile picture freedom. Here's the magic spot. Tap on your profile picture again. You'll see a few options pop up. You can either choose to change photo or view photo. If you choose change photo, you can take a new photo or select one from your phone's gallery. If you simply want to remove the current profile picture, you can select the option that removes the photo and confirms your choice. Choose the new profile picture and confirm the picture change. Now, you have successfully removed your old profile picture. Your new picture gets displayed. And there you have it. Your profile picture is updated or removed. Take control of your online image. Remember, you can repeat these steps anytime you want to freshen things up. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more TikTok tips.